a conference listening people, I took some points from there to show my expertise. But let me confess, I think food is a very essential part of my life. Not only as an individual, but as a nation as well. I was very much impressed with the theme of this year Food Day, that is Save Food for Healthy Tomorrow. So there are two important messages. One part is save food. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, though we claim ourselves to be an agricultural country, and 67% of the population is engaged in the agricultural sector, but unfortunately, we fail to produce enough food to meet our needs. And then we engage ourselves in a cycle which has a triple effect in our economy. We import food and then we are losing a lot of foreign exchange. So it's affecting our economy. I think we need to create awareness among our people that food is an important component, and we have to modernize our agriculture sector. Still, we have a traditional cultivation process, so we have to modernize and we have to inculcate the element of research in our agriculture sector. We have a lot of attitude. If I am a graduate from any prestige institution, तो जो मेरा इंटरव्यूअर है उससे मैं कहता हूँ जो मेरा एटीट्यूड है वो टोटली डिफरेंट है. ठीक है. We want University of Karachi as a university of extension and relevance, producing employable graduates and providing informal education as well. So I hope हमारे graduates जब मार्केट में जाएंगे आप देखेंगे कि वो अपने आप को establish करेंगे. एक चीज हमारे graduate में बहुत important बात है, they are very hardworking. And this is the key of their success. बाकी जो लम्ब से जाते हैं, वो आइडिया से जो जाते हैं, I have experience, इतने हार्ड वर्किंग नहीं होते, पर हमारे graduates they are very hard working. ठीक है. And हमारी जो faculty है, we have a very strong faculty. So we feel proud about our graduate, and hopefully with the passage of time, आपके साथ ज़्यादा हमारी linkages होगी, and we can have an input from the industry. This is a very important component, I believe. कि industry से हमें input लेनी चाहिए. What are the needs? What are the demands of the market or the industry?